Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen ID.4 77KWH 204B horsepower Life PROPERF with alloys, heavy-duty front brakes, tool kit, and silver bicolor styling pack. This stunning gray vehicle has been meticulously maintained with 93662 kilometers on the clock, packed with comfort and safety, features like adjustable seats, cruise control, ABS, and multiple airbags. You can drive with peace of mind. With alloy wheels and a sleek design, this car is sure to turn heads on the road. Finance options available, full service history, and a comprehensive warranty included. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Call us today or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in style with confidence.